In this video, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of how you can use your social networks in order to make money online. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a simple way in which you can use your social networks and you can start earning money online. I have to be honest with you guys. This is not something that is going to be like you're going to be making money overnight. You need to be consistent in the implementation of this strategy. So my suggestion is go ahead and watch the video and implement it. Have a commitment with yourself and have a commitment with your success if you really want to earn money online. If you also want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Now, let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that you're going to have all the tools that you need. First of all, we are going to go to Canva. You're going to go to canva.com. This is a tool that people use to create professional looking design. It doesn't matter if you're not a graphic designer or web designer, you're going to have the opportunity to use tons of templates and resources that they have. So that's what people love it. The other thing is that you don't need to buy an expensive software if you actually want to use it. And you don't also need to install things on computer. Well, when you go to canva.com, please go ahead and scroll down and make sure that you're going to click here where it says affiliate program. Okay. Here on community right now, it says affiliate program. If for some reason it's not there because sometimes they're moving things around, check just where it says affiliate program. Then you're going to click it and you're going to be on this page. There is a lot of text here because they had a previous affiliate program and they updated. So you're going to click here where it says get more information, apply here. And you're going to go to what they call the Empower Canvassador. Okay, you can be part of the Canvassador community. And here are all the information about this program. Okay, as you can see here, you can use this and you can promote it using different social networks. So you can use Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and others. Okay, so now, once you have your account created and you have your link, I'm going to show you what you're going to be doing next. Okay. Also, if you have a Canva account just like me and you keep scrolling down, you are not going to be able to find the link. Okay. So please make sure that you are logged out of your account so you can actually have the opportunity to find the link that I already showed you. Okay, as you can see, I have already used Canva in the past. There's a lot of things that we can use it here. So now we're going to be using one of the social networks. For this example, I'm going to be talking about TikTok, but as I showed you before, you can use other social networks as well. So on TikTok, you are going to type this Canva tutorial. Okay, you're going to type Canva tutorial, or also you can go ahead and type just Canva. You're going to notice that there are a lot of tutorials here. They're really easy, they're really simple, and they're getting tons of targeted views. That's actually really, really important. The fact that they're targeted views. So that means that people who are really interested in this are actually watching our videos. Okay. And these are not really hard video to do to replicate. Okay. And you can also actually do something simple like use a template that they do have tons of templates and show people how you can modify it. Okay. So you can watch the tutorials here and you can replicate it as your own. Okay. What I want you to do right now and see is the fact that there are two ways in which you can actually do this. The very first one is like with this account. I'm going to open it here. As you can see, this account, they are recording the screen. Okay. They are actually recording the screen on their computer. And that's the way how they are actually replicating or doing the tutorial and showing people how to do that. Okay. That's one option. Another option and it's way simpler. It's like this one. Okay. It's like actually like this one. Okay. As you can see, people are recording their computer. They're doing things in their computer and they're recording them with their cell phone. That's also valid. I can tell you by experience that I have done a lot of this, especially in the short form content. Okay. That's the way how I actually share things on the short form content. I don't know. I don't know why, but people really like it. Okay. So do not overcomplicate things like, hey, Diana, I don't have, um, I don't have some tools that I can use to record my screen. One tool that you can use that is free, it's called OBS. Okay, so you can Google that. I don't remember right now the website. So you can go to OBS and you can use that tool to record your screen. It's okay in order to get started. Here I can show you another tutorial. Okay, that is actually like a mix of two things, but you can see that people are actually recording their computer with their cell phone. Okay, so one thing that you need to understand, and not all social networks are created equal. For example, here on TikTok, if you want to put your account, not your account, your link on your account, like this one, you will need to have at least 1,000 followers. TikTok, it's a social network that you can go viral super fast. I know that there's a special situation with TikTok in the US. This is just an example, okay? If you already download TikTok, you're gonna get that. Okay, I'm not gonna be talking about the situation because it's not important. But here on TikTok, you need to have at least 1,000 followers if you want to have your link. If you go to Instagram on the other side, you don't need to have a follower in order to put um your link, and you can actually upload the same video on Instagram, Facebook Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, even on Pinterest. Okay. And you can put your link there. Okay. So you can see this account, it's really popular. It's have over 400,000 followers, over 3 million likes. Okay. And how she is doing things? Well, she is actually recording her screen the way I actually show you. Okay. So it's not like super crazy. Do not overthink. It's not super complicated. Okay. And another thing here is that you can do just like her. Like you can promote Canva also as an affiliate, but in the future, you can start thinking that you can actually start selling your own kits and templates. Okay. For example, here she have the top 50 Canva tips and tricks. She have the social media manager kit. Okay. The ultimate social media guide and other resources here. Okay. So you can start doing this. She is actually using Sensor. That's a way in which you can actually use it, do it. But uh, I actually use Linktree. Okay, actually use Linktree. There are other tools out there as well as Bacon and all that stuff. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to your channel, hit the notification bell, and share this content with some folks you think he or she might need it. Okay, so here on Linktree, you can create your account for free. Okay, and your link tree is going to look like something like this. Okay, now, okay, as you can see, this is mine. You can click here where it says add, and you can add a link. Okay, you can add a link. You're going to put the URL here. Okay, you're going to put the URL here. And what's the URL that you're going to put? Okay, if you are already developing your own resources, those are the things that you're going to put there. If you're using the Canva affiliate program, and this also works with Fiverr and with other portals, I'm just using Canva as an example, you're going to put your affiliate link here. Okay, you're going to put your affiliate link here, and then you're going to have the opportunity to type the title. Okay, you're going to have the opportunity to type the title. And once you are, happy with it, you can share it here. This is going to be your link, and this is the actual link that you're going to be sharing on social networks. Again, guys, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.